I purchased this portable garment dryer for my father for Christmas. He has a trailer and likes to go camping, and I figured if he ever gets wet, he can pop this thing out and dry off whatever he needs. It has an option to set different timing anywhere from 15 minutes to 3 hours, I believe. You can hang it from anywhere. It does have a 6-foot extension cord to plug into an outlet nearby. All you do is put your items inside and they hang from the black loop that is mounted below the dryer. Next, zip it up and it starts to inflate. Here's some audio so you can hear what it sounds like.